Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto E15 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi and I highly recommend to use it instead of mobile data. And secondly, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial about it, or you can add it after entering the Play Store. It's totally up to you. However, you have to have it on your device to be able to follow and update the apps. So let me tap on Get Started. Here I have to use the password, so let me quickly enter it. All right, so here we've got it. This is how the Play Store will look like after entering and logging. So let's tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. So here in this list, we've got the installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available, and those apps can be updated. All you have to do is to mark the updates you'd like to download. Of course, you can mark all of them if you want to. I'll choose only 3 of them, maybe those, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically applied, and the apps will be updated, so you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.